Advanced Night Restore is a rejuvenating cellular repair cream that works while you sleep to restore and deeply hydrate the skin. Advanced Night Eye is the perfect addition to use alongside this night cream, a repairing eye cream that can rejuvenate dull and tired eyes. These are the ideal night creams to pair with Advanced Day Total Protect and Advanced Day Eye Protect in the morning, and this quartet is perfectly designed for use alongside your CSA. Packed with antioxidants and ceramides, intensely moisturizing Advanced Night Restore floods the skin with restorative and protective benefits. The advanced formula is deeply hydrating and absorbs quickly, leaving the skin looking smooth and plump. The calming botanical fragrance creates a peaceful aroma which prepares you for a restful night's sleep. As the night falls, skin cells are at their most active and ready for overnight repair. Both Advanced Night Repair and Advanced Night Eye use Medik8's Midnight Repair Complex, combining Saskatoon berry, a cell-repairing peptide, and dragon fruit extract. These exceptional antioxidants tackle free radical damage which has occurred over the day's exposure to UV rays and pollution. Advanced Night Restore also features an intelligent combination of ceramides alongside phytosterol and fatty acids, which mimic the skin's natural lipid barrier, all working together to deeply restore and nourish the skin. This boosts the skin's natural protection against skin aging. Advanced Night Eye harnesses the powers of high-performance peptide Matrixyl 3000 to firm the eye contours, diminishing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Eye Active's caffeine and hesperidin work to brighten the appearance of dark circles, leaving the eye contours more youthful looking. Optimised for use with vitamin A serums, both formulas use N-acetylglucosamine to work in synergy with vitamin A to boost the production of hyaluronic acid. This helps to visibly firm, plump and encourage a more youthful looking complexion. Advanced Night Restore and Advanced Night Eye are ideal for those looking for an intensive overnight treatment and those who want a nourishing moisturiser or eye cream to pair with their vitamin A serum. After cleansing in the evening, apply Advanced Night Eye around the eye area, making sure to avoid the eyelids. Apply Advanced Night Restore to the face, neck and décolletage, avoiding the eye area. Use light upward strokes and allow the cream to fully absorb.